Hi babes, welcome back to a new video. It is currently 7 a.m. on a Sunday and I really need to do a good self-care day. I just got off my period. I've just been like, I don't know, my hair needs to be washed, my nails are a mess, and so I wanted to take you guys through a day like this. I'm gonna do my nails too because they look so bad, and I actually want to start with that. Yeah, I'm taking you through my self-care day. I already did my cleaning yesterday, so I don't have to do that today and I can focus on me. I think I'm gonna wash my hair probably at the end of the day just because it still looks okay for today. I took out my braid because it was just getting a bit heavy. I still have the braid. I didn't want to unravel it, but I'm just gonna wear my hair like this for one more day. Okay, so I love starting out my day lighting some candles and listening to music. I'm currently obsessed with SZA's SOS album. I have like a new favorite song every hour, so let me know if you've been listening to the album and what song is your favorite. Yeah, I'm just lighting some candles and I don't want to talk too much, so I'm just going to explain what I'm going to do. I was letting Blue out to go pee real quick, but I'm going to set up my nail station so I can do my nails. I use the gel bottle products. I really like their products for my nails. And yeah, if you want to know more about the technique, I would just look up like Gel X. I would look up builder in a bottle products, stuff like that, but I'm not a professional at all. And then after I've set up my nail station, I'm going to have some breakfast and then do my nails. And I basically spend like almost all morning doing my nails. So for my skincare today, I'm using products from PKY. They're a Korean skincare brand and also the sponsor of today's video. All of their products are fragrance-free and non-irritating, which is great if you have sensitive skin. So after cleansing, I'm first going in with the Black Tea Deep Infusion Toner. This toner improves skin elasticity and helps prevent blemishes. I love that this has a bit of a thicker consistency and it makes my skin feel super hydrated after I've applied it. I love the way PKY packages their products. It's just so unique and it has so much detail. So now I'm going in with the black tea boosting serum. This is a hydrating serum with fermented black tea and niacinamide, as well as barrier strengthening ingredients. It's great for days when your skin just feels really dehydrated, and this was definitely one of those days. I'm just going in with the Black Tea Time Reverse Eye Cream. This is meant to be helpful for improving wrinkles in the eye area. And I personally just love the feeling of applying eye cream. Like, it's just kind of that extra or like luxury step in my skincare routine. So lastly, I'm moisturizing my face with the Black Tea Enriched Cream. This has ingredients like niacinamide and ginseng extract. I like switching between different moisturizers depending on what my skin needs. And this has definitely become one of my go-tos for like dry and dull skin days. It just really like gives your face life again. So yeah, all of these products are actually available on Amazon, which I will have a link to it down below. I've always really loved using Korean skincare, and I feel like they just have so many underrated products that are just really good. So I totally recommend checking them out, and I'm going to have a link to all the products in the description for you guys. I did my nails and I did my skincare, so I'm feeling very refreshed and glowy, and I do have to do some work today, even though it's a self-care day. And at first I was like, let me go edit at like a Starbucks or something, but it's like not nice weather at all, and I would rather not go out right now. So I'm just gonna create kind of like a cozy work environment at home. I'm gonna sit at the dining table and I'm gonna make myself some coffee at home. After I finish editing, I'm gonna run to the grocery store to get some snacks for tonight. Maybe get something to bake. I don't know, I feel like maybe baking like cookies or cupcakes after my dinner. And I'm also gonna cook dinner for myself tonight. I'm just gonna make my spaghetti like always, because I feel like every time I film myself making food, it's always spaghetti. Even though I also eat other stuff, I actually haven't had spaghetti in a little while, so I was like, let me go make it again. And then tonight I wanna wash my hair, but now I'm first just gonna make some coffee. Oh, my mom's calling me.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I late nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always leave me when I know, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going down my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always leave me when I know, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going down my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open,